Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we are going to see how to save a specific page from your document in Microsoft Office Word web. And if for an example 8 to 9 or 2 to 5 like that. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the red color subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So in this document, how to save the specific page. For an example, there is here 5 pages in this document, particular document. I just need to save the second and third page. And how to save it? You just click on the file option here, click on the print option on here, and just click on the print this document. Now it's automatically goes to the printing option here. You just need to change the destination to save as PDF. And now you just click on, it's actually in pages, it's on the all. You just need to click on the custom. Now I just need, so you can see, you can scroll down to the 5 pages. Now I just need only this arrow and a table page, which is 3 and 4. So I can make a 3 line 4. So it's mentioning about the 3rd to 4th page. You can also change this to 3rd to 5th page. For an example, 3 to 5. So you can see it changes to 3 to 5. And you can also for an example, I just need 1, and I just put on the comma 3 comma 5. Now you can see the first page, third page and 4th page are in align. So now you just click on the save option and you can save the specific pages like this in your document if you want. So I think this is an important video. Share with your friends, and if it is really useful, like this video, share this video, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. If you want more content about Microsoft Office Word web, you just follow this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable Word content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.